Okay, so this is a live sword. Okay. Okay, so what we usually see with balintawak drills is when we block, it stops right here in the middle. The same way with when we strike. Okay, during drilling, when you strike, it stops here in the middle, and then when you block, it stops there. But of course, in a street fight, if you're confronted with, shall we say, a sword or a bolo, okay, it has a different application. So what you will usually do if you're armed with a stick against a bolo, this should not stop here. It should be go all the way. This is full force, full speed. Now to demonstrate, here's how it goes. So I think the next question is, can the stick at par with a live blade? Most likely the main concern is maybe, it will come. So let's try. Full swing, ayaw pa control. Go! So this is how it goes. Okay, so that was a full swing, no control. So meaning with this, I can still finish the fight. Okay, so I'm going to give one. Of course, this is a demonstration, so we're not going to do full force, but this is how it goes. So with this position, okay, I'm going to go to. That's it. So that's the Villasin Balintawak in a street fight.